Add single element to array in NumPy. I have a NumPy array containing. I want to create an array containing. That is, I want to add the first element onto the end of the array. I have tried the obvious, but I get an error saying value error column arrays must have same number of dimensions. I don't understand this. The arrays are both just 1D arrays.
A0 isn't an array, it's the first element of A and therefore has no dimensions. Try using A0 column 1 instead, which will return the first element of A inside a single item array.
Try this. This URL. Concatenate needs both elements to be NumPy arrays, however, A0 is not an array. That is why it does not work.
Append creates a new array which can be the old array with the appended element. I think it's more normal to use the proper method for adding an element.
This command does not alter array. However, it returns a new modified array. So, if a modification is required, then the following must be used.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.